Hello everybody, thank you for coming onto TBP channel. This here is my first ever video recording a trade review. I have been writing about the trade that I've been taking and sharing that with you as part of the blog. So today for the first time we are going to get into the video, and the trade that we are going to review will be uh, McDonald trade that we just wrote about. So without any further ado, let us go and do that. Here's the chart of McDonald. Uh, let's go to the daily and zoom in a little bit. As you can see, McDonald has been on a downtrend since really the ER, following a consolidation of about this is September 30th. Nope, that's September the 10th through October 21st. So about for a month and a half, McDonald was range bound between 214, the highest level, and 27. So $7 range there, and then sharp gap down after earning release. And from there, it actually carried on its momentum. So on Monday, there was this announcement that, hey, McDonald's CEO was out. I guess somebody, because he was giving it to one of his employees who must have been loving it. So McDonald traded at this level here, closing on that day at 188.66. So the very next day, I used pre-market with I think there was a huge volume of about 120,000 share by 9 a.m. So I decided that I was going to trade McDonald on that day. I rarely trade McDonald, to be honest with you, and more importantly, I rarely trade news, just because they are not a reliable source for consistent trade. So hence, this was really that one off. So on the 6th, then here it is. I put an order in here for 20 cents for the 195 calls for McDonald, expiring the same week. Absolutely, that's, I know, is pretty aggressive, but that's how I have to roll sometimes. And so this is what McDonald did, and so we sold it. I sold it here, I think, no, this year actually at 10.15, I believe. And I had three contracts, so both at 20 cents per contract, sold two at 35 cents, and I carried the other one the next day. Why? Okay, well, let me examine why in the very next feature. Bye bye.